Hi, I am Sukumar Ilangovan, founder of Guidely. At Guidely, we have always believed that your selection is our biggest success. That's the philosophy that has guided us from day one. Over the years, we have been privileged to be a part of thousands of banking success stories. Behind every selection is continuous research, detailed exam analysis, and one strong commitment. That's why every year we don't just upgrade our mock test, we make it more smarter, more advanced, and more exam oriented. We introduce new features, improve the test experience, and refine our analysis. And this year is no difference. Our Platinum Mock Test series comes with even more advanced features and an enhanced test experience. And that's why Guidely's mock tests continue to be the most preferred choice of toppers and serious aspirants across the country. And now, we made this premium experience more affordable than ever. The biggest offer on Guidely's Platinum Mock Test series is now live. If you are serious about cracking your bank exams, enroll today, practice consistently, and let's achieve your selection together.